robot is turning blue. It's ready to start cleaning the floor.
It's alive! Oh no! A ghost is controlling it. It's coming back again. Chick, get up high!
I'm so scared.
Call the police! It's attacking us! Yes! Call them now!
It's chasing me!
Let's check carefully.
It's only running on a timer. Timers can move robots?
Smart devices follow settings.
It still looks scary.
The robot returns to the center, circling slowly. With a gentle click, the robot turned off. When something strange happens, don't panic. Ask an adult.
We'll remember that. I thought it was a ghost.
It chased Emmy for real.
Sorry for being scared.
The robot knows just where to go to recharge its battery. See the green light? Now it has lots of energy for cleaning.
Curiosity is good with safety.
And now we know, not a ghost.
Learning makes the world less scary and a lot more fun.
Best ice cream ever. What's that? Are these footprints?
Hey, baby bull. What's going, oh?
There, monster track.
Oh, they do look like footprints. Woo!
A creamy foot monster?
Maybe it's a giant ice cream creature. Let's observe first. No monsters until we investigate.
It goes that way. It's getting thicker. The monster must be close.
Oh no! It's hiding behind the bush.
I'm scared.
Everyone stay behind me.
My ice cream. I dropped it. I can't find my mommy. So, the ice cream monster was just melted ice cream?
Sue!
No giant creamy creature hiding? Don't worry. We'll help you find your mom.
I'm sorry. I thought it was a monster. There you are. I was so worried. I let my imagination scare me.
Imagination is fun, but when something scares us, we must stop, look carefully, and think.
Our shadows are gone. A shadow-eating monster!
What happened?
Our shadows got eaten.
No one ate your shadows.
See? Nothing there.
Is the monster watching me?
Your shadow is back.
Whew. Safe again.
Watch closely.
Her shadow vanished too.
Light makes shadows appear.
So the shadow was just hiding. Hide, show, hide, show.
What creature am I?
You look like a squishy bear.
When something strange happens, observe first. Don't panic.
Shadow, I'm glad you're back. Look, I'm a bunny.
What am I supposed to be now?
See? Your shadows never disappeared. Light simply hides them. Our shadows are safe.
No, nobody ate them.
A lovely day with a bright lesson.
Monkey, monkey, what is that strange light? Someone's moving in there. We must tell an adult. Pink Dog, something strange is happening.
Strange light? WH Air.
You did the right thing coming to us.
Wait, a twinching, it's looking at me.
We'll check it safely. Let's stay close together, kids. Wow.
Wow, look at this. Officer, I'm a bit scared.
Hurry, please hurry.
What a ride! What a fun ride! Oh no! It flashed again. Is anyone inside?
The door is shaking.
Oh, were you looking for me?
Pointing flashing lights outside can worry your neighbor's little one.
I'm sorry. I didn't know. It's okay. You understand now?
When something looks unusual, tell an adult. Safety belongs to everyone in the neighborhood.
What a memorable night! And we made the safe choice.
Always observe, always stay safe, kids. A peaceful morning begins at the city park.
Hi, officers.
Nothing unusual was waiting.
What's this strange box?
Stop right this tizza right there. Don't touch unknown objects.
Sorry, I was just curious.
Let's check it safely.
No wires, no shaking, but still unknown.
Is it dangerous?
Everyone, step back slowly.
It moved!
Is that a note? It says, "Lost item. Please return."
So... Kitty, it wasn't scary?
Anyone missing a gray box, please come here.
That's mine!
Be careful next time.
I learned something today.
Never touch strange objects.
This one is safe, right? Always stay alert and stay safe.
Super speed! If I race from there, I will go super fast. Ready.
I can't stop it!
Runaway cart! Move!
It's like a rocket.
Whoa! This white cart is heavier than it looks.
Please don't let it fall.
I'm sorry. I got so scared. You are safe now. You scared me so much. Shopping carts are not toys. On a slope, they can be extremely dangerous.
I won't do it again. I promise.
You learned something important today. When you see danger, step back, call an adult. That's how we stay safe.
Today, I outran a white rocket cart. I deserve a medal.
You're funny, Officer Yellow.
Fun is good, Goban, but safety and responsibility come first.
Thank you, officers.
Safety begins with the small choices we make every day.
The Cheeky Monkey and the Wobbly Sign. One sunny morning at a bus stop, Little Monkey spots a road sign and gets a cheeky idea. He climbs up, boom, bumps his head, and the sign tilts sideways. Sliding down, he looks around nervously. The black officer suddenly stops, and the police dog bumps right into him. They look ahead, shocked at the wobbly sign. Little Monkey stands still, hands behind his back. The police dog and the black officer try to fix the sign, but it won't move. Monkey rushes to help. Together, pop! The sign stands tall again. Monkey lowers his head shyly. The police dog pats him gently. Good job! They all laugh together as people around cheer. Keep the city safe. Do good every day. The mission to rescue Little Cow on the Ferris wheel. Little Cow enjoys his ice cream. He spots the giant Ferris wheel. Wow! And runs straight toward it. Down below, Piglet waves happily. But suddenly, zap! Sparks fly from the Ferris wheel. Little Cow's cabin stops mid-air, shaking wildly. Panda Grandpa sees the danger. He grabs his phone fast. At the police station, the alarm blares. Beep! Beep! The police dog jumps in his car and speeds off. At the scene, police dog arrives with Panda Grandpa. He climbs the tower. Welding sparks flash. Zad! Zad! The Ferris wheel hums back to life. Ah! Whirr! Ding! The Ferris wheel slows down. Little Cow lands safely. He thanks the police dog with a big smile. Woo! Everyone cheers under the colorful lights. Help others. Keep everyone safe. The mission to return. Grandma Panda's wallet.
What fruit do you want to buy?
At the Sunny Village Market, Grandma Panda buys fruits and vegetables from Little Pig's stall. When she finishes and walks away, plop! Her wallet falls without her noticing. A gentle breeze, whoosh, slides it into the main road. Two police dogs are on patrol when, screech, they stop suddenly. The black officer nods with a grin. A new mission begins.
Do you know whose
At the
wallet
vegetable
this is?
stall, the two officers ask Little Pig for clues.
She just went that
He
way.
recognizes the wallet and points toward where
Thank
Grandma
you.
Panda went. The two nod firmly. Time to chase. At the busy intersection, Grandma Panda hurries across the road. The police dog and the black officer chase behind. Grandma Panda looks worried until they arrive. The police dog holds out the wallet. She smiles, relieved. Grandma Panda waves goodbye to the two officers with a big smile. Do the right thing. Help others every day. The mission to help. Panda Dad. On a sunny village road, Panda Dad drives his small truck full of red apples. Suddenly, bam! The wheel drops into a pothole. Panda Dad steps out and looks at the scene. He picks up an apple by his foot, feeling sad and starting to cry. At the police station, beep, beep, the alarm rings. The police dog and the black officer rush out, jump into their vehicles, and speed off to help. The police dog signals his partner. The black officer stops, listens, then nods before moving into position. The tow truck backs up. Ready! The police dog signals. Pull! The cable tightens. Pop! The Panda's truck is free. Panda Dad smiles in relief.
Thank you.
Happy the mission is complete. The three drive off together. Police in front, Panda behind, under the bright morning sun. Help others, make the city better. The mission to help Panda Mom's motorcycle accident. Panda Mom rides her red scooter on a sunny road. A little bunny jumps out. She brakes hard and falls. At the station, beep, beep, accident alert. The police dog and the pink officer jump into their car. The black officer starts the tow truck. Time to go. Down the road, Panda Mom sits beside her tilted red scooter. The police dog gives the signal. Go! The black officer sets up a warning sign.
Be careful next time you drive.
The pink officer rushes to Panda Mom, checks her knee, and wraps it gently. Panda Mom smiles with relief, giving a grateful thumbs up. The police dog points to the road, and the black officer lowers the tow cable. Clank! The hook locks in place. Click! And with a gentle pull, Whir! Pop! The scooter is safely lifted. The team nods at each other with big smiles. Help others. Keep everyone safe. Little Cow and the Flying Bag. It's a sunny morning. Little Cow tosses a plastic bag toward the bin, but misses. The wind blows hard, sending it flying away. The police dog spots the flying trash and frowns. The black officer laughs, then rushes ahead to chase it down. The black officer runs after the flying bag, jumps to catch it, but misses. A car brakes hard in front of him, but he keeps going. The chase continues through the park, trees, benches, and the bag dancing in the wind. The bag gets stuck on a signpost. The police dog jumps and misses several times, then falls down. The black officer grabs a net. One quick swing and he catches it. Together, they clean the street. Little Cow puts the trash in the bin properly. Keep the city clean. Act for the environment. The Great Bread Chase. At the police office, the police dog and the black officer are on duty when beep, beep, the radio in the black officer's pocket goes off. At the bakery, Bear Chain stuffs loaves of bread into a big bag and sneaks out as fast as he can.
Come on, go, go, go!
Yes, sir.
Down the street, Bear Chain runs with a bag full of bread, but it's ripping apart fast. The police dog blows his whistle as the chase begins. The black officer runs ahead, with the police dog right behind. Looking back in panic, Bear Chain trips over a rock and tumbles down, bread flying everywhere. The police dog and the black officer look at each other and laugh. Then help Bear Chain up. Another funny case closed by our police dogs. The mission to fix Panda Mom's car. Panda Mom drives her green car carefully, but beep, beep! A blue car rushes in from the opposite side. Bang! The cars bump slightly, smoke rises. Both pandas freeze in shock. Alarms flash. Beep, beep. A car almost hits them. Quick turn, safe. Pee, pee. The siren echoes as they rush off. At the garage, smoke rises from Panda Mom's green car.
Oh, shit!
The police dog orders, "Find sand! Stop the smoke!" The black officer scratches his head. Then, ding! An idea!
Oh, yes! Let's go!
The black officer climbs up the hood. Clack! Clack! Then, the car looks brand new. Panda Mom bows thankfully.
Thank you.
Mission complete! Help others! Keep the city safe! The mission at the construction site, Panda Dad and Little Monkey. At the sunny construction site, Panda Dad drives his yellow excavator, moving big rocks. Up on the roof, Little Monkey plays curiously. Oh no, the stones roll down, crash, and hit Panda Dad's truck. At the police station, beep, beep, an alert pops up. Rockfall at construction site. The police dog and the black officer rush out. Time to help! At the site, Panda Dad looks worried beside his truck. The towed truck lowers its hook. Clank, lifting the rocks one by one. The police car helps push small stones away. Teamwork in action! Just as they finish, eek! Little Monkey is stuck high on the beam. The police dog gives the signal, and the black officer lowers the rescue rope. Monkey grabs on. Whir! And lands safely. Monkey lands and cheers. Yay! Mission complete. Be careful, be kind, and always help others. The mission to fix the painted bus stop. Here comes Little Cow, walking happily to the bus stop. He spots the shiny glass wall. And, that sparkle in his eyes says, trouble. With a big grin, he grabs his paint marker and doodles funny shapes all over. He steps back, looks at his artwork, and bursts into laughter. Uh-oh, the police are here. The siren goes, pee. Little Cow freezes, hiding his marker behind his back. The black officer tilts his head. Nice drawing, but wrong wall, buddy. The police dog gives a signal. Let's do this together. They grab brushes and paint. Little Cow blushes, but joins in with a giggle. Soon the sound of scrubbing and laughter fills the air. Now the wall is clean again, bright and beautiful. Little Cow laughs with the two officers, help others, fix mistakes with kindness. The mission to find Little Panda. At a small cozy house, Grandma Panda paces nervously while calling the police. At the station, the black officer answers the phone. Grandma reports that Little Panda is missing. He nods seriously, and the police dog rushes to prepare the car. Both officers jump in, ready to go. They search the park and suddenly stop. It's Little Panda's favorite teddy bear. The police dog spots something. The two exchange glances, nodding. We're on the right track. By the lake, Little Panda sits crying quietly. The police dog approaches, holding the teddy bear. His eyes light up. He hugs it tightly and smiles again. At Grandma's house, she waits anxiously. Then, Little Panda returns, running into her arms. Grateful, Grandma thanks the officers as they wave goodbye with smiles. Help others, bring smiles every day. The lost blue balloon. In the park, Baby Sheep loses her blue balloon to the wind. What a sad face. The station is quiet until the red alarm starts to beep. The police dog wakes up, ready for action. Hearing the call for help, the police dog jumps into his patrol car and speeds away. He stops at the park and looks around carefully with his binoculars. Something catches his eye. The blue balloon is stuck high in a tree. After a few funny slips, he finally knocks it down. Baby Sheep is overjoyed to get the blue balloon back. She jumps and runs happily around the park. The mission to help Piglet clean the yard. Piglet is sweeping leaves in his yard. But whoosh! A strong gust of wind scatters them everywhere. He frowns, determined to clean again. Yet, whoosh! The wind plays tricks once more. The leaves swirl high, and Piglet bursts into tears. Just then, a police car passes by. The police dog spots the chaos of flying leaves and rushes over to check. The black officer steps out with a friendly smile. Piglet explains his windy problem. The police dog gives a signal. Let's do this together! The black officer grabs a broom. Piglet gathers the leaves, and the yard fills with laughter. The teamwork makes cleaning fun and easy. The yard is spotless now. They share a happy morning together. Help others. Keep the city clean and happy.